which is positive. Okay, all I can see is consolidation around this area. I believe over the long term, silver will be heading much higher. So for now, let's have a look at the daily. Okay, so this red line, we've had it in here for...
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. We are looking at the silver chart. We are going to have a look at where it's been over the week and where it could be potentially be heading and opportunities. So as you can see, this is the long-term view, so the monthly. Over the month, silver is still slightly in the green. However, we have been a lot higher and we have come in to the lower part, but we're still green for the month, which is positive. Okay, all I can see is consolidation around this area. I believe over the long term, silver will be heading much higher. So for now, let's have a look at the daily. Okay, so this red line, we've had it in here on the chart for quite a while. It is a long-term lower support, and as long as this red line is not broken, we are going to be stronger and positive in silver. So as you can see, on Thursday, actually on Wednesday, we went below it, we came back in and closed just on it. The following day we did actually break a little bit lower, but guess what, back in the green, and we finished above the line. And Friday's trade, again in the red. However, we are still above that long-term lower trend line, as you can see right there. So we're still above it, which is still positive. That tells me we're building some sort of consolidation, okay, which means we could maybe be heading a little bit higher on silver. So let's just keep an eye on it and see what happens. Let's go into the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, this is the Wednesday. We broke below it, but then we finished Wednesday on the red long-term lower support trend line. Thursday, again we gapped, or we dropped lower, but guess what, we recaptured it the same day, and we actually finished and closed above the red line. Friday, again we saw consolidated above it, and it looks like we was heading towards it just before the close. However, we just need to make sure, just keep an eye on that red line. We need to see whether the consolidation can be maintained and can buyers come in and push it higher. The only time this red line would be broken is if we broke it to the lower part of it, and then the following day we had a follow-up and we closed below the previous day close, which hasn't currently happened. So at the moment that line's still valid and it's holding pretty well. Again on the 10 minutes, is that the same thing? That line is holding. You could potentially say bull flag, so we've gone up and now we're just trading across. So there's a mini bull flag, maybe. Let's see what happens next week. Okay, so that will conclude the short update on silver. We are still keeping an eye on this long-term lower support area, and we are still within the bigger parallel channel, potentially heading much higher. So let's keep an eye on it, and let's see what happens. If you like what you are watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, leave your comment, turn on your notification, and look out for our next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.